deep and comprehensive explanation. Module 2 focuses extensively on the artistic and technical dimensions of creating digital art, specifically tailored for the NFT ecosystem. This module equips you with the essential creative skills, software proficiency, and practical know-how necessary to produce compelling and blockchain-ready digital artworks that can stand out in a competitive and fast-evolving NFT marketplace. 1. Understanding the types of digital art for NFTs. NFTs are versatile and can represent a broad spectrum of digital creations, including but not limited to 2. D-artwork. Digital paintings, illustrations, pixel art, and graphic designs are among the most popular NFT formats. Techniques range from traditional digital drawing to vector-based art. 3D art and models. These include sculptural digital assets, animations, and models that can be interactive or static, often used in gaming, virtual reality, VR, and metaverse environments. Animated NFTs, short looping animations or motion graphics, adding dynamism and storytelling beyond static images. Multimedia and mixed media, combinations of audio, video, and interactive elements create immersive NFT experiences. Generative art, algorithmically created art using code or AI, where the final artwork is generated through predefined rules, creating unique pieces and collections. Understanding these categories helps you select appropriate creative approaches based on your strengths and target audience. 2. Software tools and digital mediums. A key part of this module is mastering digital creation tools, including Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, industry standards for 2D raster and vector art, offering powerful editing, layering, and effects capabilities. Procreate, a popular iPad app favored for its intuitive interface, brushes, and portability. Blender and Cinema 4D, open source and commercial, 3D modeling and animation tools for creating complex 3D assets. After Effects for motion graphics and animation, ideal for animated NFT creation. AI-assisted tools. Emerging technologies like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Runway ML enables you to generate and manipulate images through artificial intelligence, expanding creative possibilities. The module includes demonstrations and tutorials on tool selection, workflow optimization, and blending multiple software for richer art production. 3. File formats and blockchain requirements. Creating NFT-ready artwork demands an understanding of technical specifications to ensure compatibility and quality on blockchain platforms. Common file formats, PNG and JPEG for static images, GIF for simple animations, MP4 and WEBM for videos, and GLB/GLTF for 3D models. File size limits. Different marketplaces impose upload size limits. Artists must optimize files without compromising visual fidelity. Metadata embedding. Embedding descriptive data such as title, creator, creation date, and attributes is crucial for provenance and discoverability on the blockchain. Compression techniques. Balancing quality and file size through efficient compression methods helps reduce gas fees and ensures smooth uploads. This technical insight empowers you to produce optimized, compliant NFTs that showcase their work flawlessly. 4. Creative styles and current trends in NFT. Art staying relevant in the NFT space requires awareness of prevailing art movements and trends. Pixel art and retro aesthetics, popular among collectors nostalgic for early video games. CryptoPunks and avatar collections. Limited edition, character-driven art pieces fueling collectible demand. Generative collections, using code to produce vast series of unique but related artworks, e.g. Bored Ape Yacht Club. Narrative and conceptual art, story-driven pieces that leverage the digital medium's interactivity and multimedia possibilities. Social and political themes. Many NFT artists use their platforms to explore identity, activism, and cultural commentary. This section encourages you to reflect on how their personal style can resonate with market trends without losing authenticity. 5. Best practices in NFT art creation. Practical guidance includes planning and conceptualization, starting with sketches, storyboards, or mood boards to define a clear artistic vision aligned with intended audience and platform. Iteration and feedback, using peer reviews and community input to refine artwork before minting. Version control and backups, managing digital assets carefully to avoid loss or unauthorized changes. Ethical creation, respecting originality, avoiding plagiarism, and acknowledging cultural sources responsibly. Collaborations, partnering with coders, animators, or musicians to expand creative scope and reach. Learning outcomes from Module 2. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify and describe diverse types of digital art used in NFTs, select and proficiently use key digital art software and tools, prepare and optimize digital artwork for blockchain minting, recognize current trends in NFT art, and apply creative strategies accordingly. Follow best practices in the digital art creation process for NFTs. Learning outcomes for Module 2. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify and describe diverse types of digital art used in NFTs, select and proficiently use key digital art software and tools, prepare and optimize digital artwork for blockchain minting, recognize current trends in NFT art, and apply creative strategies accordingly. Follow best practices in the digital art creation process for NFTs.